Welcome to at Car AUG 765, where the legends of the road come alive. Today, we're stepping back in time to explore one of the most breathtaking cars ever made, the 1955 Mercedes-Benz 300 SL, the icon that redefined speed, style, and innovation. The birth of a legend. The year was 1954. The world had just begun to recover from World War II, and Mercedes-Benz wanted to show the world that German engineering could still create miracles. So, they built something extraordinary, a car that wasn't just fast but beautiful beyond words, the 300 SL Gullwing. When it hit the stage at the 1954 New York Auto Show, the crowd went silent. And then, applause erupted. The Gullwing doors, the futuristic curves, and that silver body, it looked like it came straight from the future. The heart of the beast. Under the hood, the 300 SL wasn't just good-looking, it was revolutionary. It packed a 3.0-liter straight-six engine, producing 215 horsepower, making it the fastest production car of its time, with a top speed of 161 miles per hour. But here's the magic, it was the first production car in the world with fuel injection. That technology made it a beast on the road and a marvel of precision engineering. Imagine this, in 1955, when most cars barely crossed 100 miles per hour, the 300 SL was flying past everything in sight. It was truly ahead of its era. The iconic Gullwing design. Now, let's talk about those famous Gullwing doors, the design that made the 300 SL a symbol of elegance. They weren't just for looks. The car's frame was so low and strong that traditional doors couldn't fit. So Mercedes engineers designed the doors to open upward, just like the wings of a bird. When you opened them, it wasn't just an entrance, it was a performance. Celebrities, racers, and even Hollywood stars wanted one. It wasn't just a car, it was a statement. The racing heritage. The SL in 300 SL stands for Sport Light, meaning sport light. And that name wasn't just for show. This car's DNA came straight from the racetrack, from the 1952 Mercedes racing program that dominated races like Le Mans and the Carrera Panamericana. Built with a tubular space frame and lightweight materials, it was designed to win, and it did. The 300 SL combined race car power with luxury and comfort, something no other car at that time could dream of doing. Today, the 1955 Mercedes-Benz 300 SL is a crown jewel among classic cars. Collectors pay over $1.5 million, sometimes even more, to own one. And it's not just about the money. It's about owning a piece of automotive history, a car that symbolizes innovation, elegance, and unmatched engineering. Even modern Mercedes-AMG cars carry the spirit of the 300 SL, proof that true legends never die. The 1955 300 SL wasn't just a car, it was a dream made of metal and motion. It defined what a supercar could be long before the word even existed. From its Gullwing doors to its record-breaking performance, the 300 SL remains one of the most breathtaking machines ever created. This car didn't just move fast, it moved hearts. Thanks for watching at Car AUG 765. If you love timeless machines and legendary rides, keep watching, because the fire of classic cars never fades.